how to manage project details. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Smith's wedding project as our example. I'll begin by selecting the project tile to view all the project details. At the top, you'll see the project details. You can modify any of these details by clicking Edit. I need to add an end date. Let's assume Ryan and Ashley want their wedding to be on Saturday, December 27th. To do this, I'll click Edit and navigate to the End Date field, where I will select the correct date. Then I'll click Save. Further down is the Task section. Here, you can view all tasks related to this project. Select To Do, In Progress, Review, or Done to view tasks within those respective status categories. I need to add a task to book the venue. To add the task, I will navigate to Add Task, which opens the Add New Task pop-up menu. First, I'll enter the task name. Then I'll add a short description. Next, I'll select an assignee. An assignee can be yourself or another teammate. For this task, I will select myself. Tasks can only have one assignee at a time. Now I'll select the deadline. Let's say November 28th. Adding attachments is optional. I'll select the project this task is associated with, in this case, the Smith's wedding. Lastly, I'll choose the task status. Since this is a new task, I will select To Do. Now that I've entered everything, I'll click Add. You will now see the new task appear in the To Do section. From here, you can view task details or update the status. Moving up the page, let's take a look at Project Plan. The project plan is a calendar view of tasks based on their due dates. Scrolling down, you'll see the venue selection task scheduled for November 28th. You can change your calendar view by clicking here and selecting month, week, day, or agenda. Next, we'll take a look at notes. Notes are a great way to keep track of project-related information. Olivia is a fellow member of this project, and I want to leave a note for her. To add a note, click Add Note. I'll add the details of my note here and click Add. You will now see the note appear here. Keep in mind that this is the admin view, and only admins can delete notes. Non-admins will not see the delete button. They may only edit notes they have personally created. Next, we'll go to Milestones, where we can track major planned events during the project. A major milestone for this project is the rehearsal dinner. To add, I'll click Add Milestone. I'll enter the milestone name, followed by the target date and time. Then, I'll add a short description and select the project to which this milestone belongs. You will now see the milestone appear in Pending Approval status. From this view, you can edit or view milestone details, or click the three dots to approve or reject it. Only admins and clients can approve or reject milestones. For more information on client access, refer to the Client and Freelancer tutorial video. Next, we'll take a look at the Files menu. In this section, you will see any files associated with the project. These can include contracts or deliverables. I want to add a new deliverable. I'll enter the file name, an optional description, the file type, and then upload the file. Once I'm done, I'll click Add, and the file will appear here. Lastly, we'll look at the Invoices menu. Any invoices related specifically to this project will appear here. These may be invoices you owe to a vendor or invoices a client owes to you. Let's say Ryan and Ashley owe a payment for our service, and I want to upload that invoice here. First, I'll upload the invoice file. Next, I'll enter the amount due. Be sure not to include $signs or commas. I'll skip the payment link for now, but if there is one, you can record it here. Then I'll add any notes and select the invoice due date and time. Now I'll click Add. Since this is an open invoice, admins will also see it displayed on their dashboard under Open Invoices. This concludes how to manage project details.